Okay, warm-up says, if I give you two ordered pairs, what formula do you use to find the slope? Mr. Brett. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Good, that equals slope. Okay, what did you learn before this that was almost like that? What else does slope mean? Okay, difference in y over difference in x. Tara, what's difference mean to do? What does the word difference mean? Right, so when we say the difference in y, we're subtracting the y's. The difference in x's means we're subtracting the x's. Okay, in this particular example, okay, labeling your ordered pairs, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, finding the slope. Plug in the numbers for me, Jenna, into the equation. Negative 11 minus negative 7 over, good, minus 5. Two negatives make a big mama plus. Okay, what does that give you then, Megan? Again, what? Negative 11 plus 7? Good, okay. Negative 4 over, what did you say? Good, over negative 8, reducing to what, Zoe? Good, 1/2. Okay, slope can also be, you guys said rise over run, and what else can it be? Yes, difference in y over difference in x. In a word problem, it's the, okay, good, so that's also the rate. Someone gets 1 cookie every 2 minutes. Correct. All right, homework. Okay, going over your homework answers, page 15. Okay, you were trying to find the slope. Make sure they are reduced down. For number 7, for right now, keep your answer as 15 divided by 0. Okay, moving it up. So Bridget, the only thing we learned yesterday was the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, okay. All right, any of these questions you need to see? Zoe? Okay, that's fine. Why did some of you get negative 15 and some of you got 15? Why did some people get 15 and some got negative 15? Chris? Right, 6 minus 21 or 21 minus 6. That's how some people get 15 or negative 15. It doesn't matter which one you use. Okay, which two on here are kind of weird answers or different kind of answers? Molly? Okay, good. Number 4 and number 7 are kind of weird. They are special cases, okay, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. Those two kinds. Okay, anything else you guys need to see from the homework? Okay, take your green packet, open up to page 9. Okay, those two special cases. Okay, typically all the lines we draw right now are always diagonal. Okay, they're all different directions. These are straight. Diagonal lines are straight. These are all still straight. Okay, they're going to be horizontal and vertical. Okay, everyone make a horizontal line with your arm. You're all scared. Horizontal line, make it with your arm. I know, a lot of people get them mixed up. That's why we're doing this. Okay, here's horizontal. Make it vertical. Very good, Brett. That's great. That's what I was going to say. All right. Okay, we see vertical lines. All right, thank you. Do you have a question or vertical? Still, okay. So when you think of the horizon, where the sun comes up, that's horizontal. All right? Okay, we're going to first look at the first situation. Okay. Anyone see any butterflies yet this year?
I killed one.
You killed one.
It might have been a moth. They call it
All right. Okay, that's not good if you killed a butterfly.
the butterfly.
Okay, anyhow, Shannon likes butterflies. All right, on day 1, Shannon has 8 butterflies. Write the ordered pair. Page 15, green. I'm sorry, page 9, green. Page 9, green. Okay, the ordered pair is what page? Day 1, 8 bee flies. On day 2, Shannon has 8 butterflies. Tara, ordered pair. Day 2, 8 bee flies. Okay. On day 3, Shannon still has 8 butterflies. Ordered pair, David? Huh? Ordered pair. Come on. Okay, I'm going to stop writing days in bee flies. 3, 8. On day 4, Shannon still has 8 butterflies. Chris, ordered pair. Good. 4, 8. Okay, and I think you guys get the point. On day 5, 6, and 7, how many bee flies does she have, Molly? Well, for right now, I think they're all going to stay alive. I think these are not normal butterflies. Okay, so write down your ordered pairs. 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, and so on. Okay, we're looking at slope, which is also the rate of change. Okay, what is Shannon's rate of change with her butterflies? How fast do the key butterflies keep increasing by? 0. Okay, her rate of increase is 0. So you guys already know that the slope is going to be 0. All right, we're going to just do it math-wise, mathematically, to show that it should be 0. X and Y variable are what, Nicole? Days and bee flies. Okay, graphing those points. Days and bee flies. Okay, so go right 1, up 8. Go day 2, 8 butterflies. Day 3, 8 butterflies. Day 4, 8 butterflies, and so on. Connect those. And Tara, what kind of line is that? Horizontal, that's right, good. Okay, if you want to find the slope, okay, how would you find the slope using all those ordered pairs? How could you find the slope with all those ordered pairs we have there? Sounds like crickets in here. Okay, think of yesterday's lesson. What do you need to find slope? How many ordered pairs? 1, 2. Okay, you need 2. Pick 2 of them. Okay, first 2 could be the easiest. Pick the first 2 ordered pairs. Okay, so to find slope, what's the equation to find slope with 2 ordered pairs? Mackenzie? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is, we'll let this be x1 and this be y1. This be x2 and this be y2. This would work with no matter what ordered pairs you picked. David, plug the numbers in for me. What's y2? Yeah, plug in y2 here. 8. 8 minus 8 bee flies over Okay, day 2 minus day 1. Okay, what does that give you, Jenna? What over what? Okay, good. 0 butterflies every 1 day. Okay, so what is 0 divided by 1? 0, okay? You guys already knew that the slope was 0, okay? That's mathematically also why the slope is 0. Okay, the equation, y equals, okay, what's the slope, guys? 0x plus b. What's the y-intercept? 8, okay? We started at 8. We went up. We went up 0, right 1, up 0, right 1, up 0, right 1. Okay? What part in here don't we really need? Good. No matter what value I put in place of the x, it will always be 0. Okay? So the shortest answer would just be y equals 8. Y equals 8. Okay? This is true for all horizontal lines. Okay? They will always have a slope of 0 and always be y equals just a number. Flip your page on the back. Okay, for horizontal lines in the chart, you can draw a horizontal line for people like Tara or others who forget what a horizontal line looks like. Okay, Tara, what's the slope of a horizontal line? It's always what? 0, good. And the equation is always y equals, okay, you can put any letter there. I'm going to just put a number, okay? It's wherever it crosses the y-axis at. Okay? Also, if you think about a horizontal line, okay, what in my room has a slope of 0? What in my room has a slope of 0? The floor, the ceiling, no, not the wall. No, not the wall up there either. Okay, the desks, no, not the chalkboard. Has to be flat like this. Horizontal, not vertical. No, the surface. The surface. Okay, so let's pretend that the floor, the counter. Okay, so if the floor has a slope of 0, how many of you ski in here? Okay, all right, anyone do cross-country skiing? No, okay, you all do downhill skiing. Okay, let's just say you do cross-country skiing though. Okay, if the floor is 0, okay, how steep is the floor, guys, if you're skiing? Okay, it has, you like that? You want to do that too? No, okay. The floor has 0 steepness, okay? No steepness at all. Horizontal line has a slope of 0, okay? So think of the floor, 0 steepness. Okay, flip back to example 2. Juliet. That's a nice name, isn't it? It's my name. I like the name. Do you still not like the name, Mike? Yes, he likes it now. Yes, Juliet Warnock. Yes. How do you know that? Oh, it says on the thing. That explains it. Okay. All right, so after 2 hours, Juliet ran 5 miles. Ordered pair would be what, Brett? Good. After 2 hours, I have run, that's wrong. After 2 hours, I have run 5 miles. Okay. After those same 2 hours, all of a sudden now I've run 6.5 miles. Huh, yeah. Correct. It doesn't. It doesn't. I'm glad who doesn't this make sense to? Okay, if it doesn't make sense, that's correct. Okay, it shouldn't make sense. Let's just go with it for a second. 2 hours, 6.5 miles. Okay, go ahead and complete the ordered pairs. Now after those same 2 hours, now I've all of a sudden run 8. After the same 2 hours, all of a sudden I've run 10 now. Back in time, huh? Okay, and it's so on. It's always 2 hours, and I keep running different kinds of miles. Okay, so that's impossible, you guys are saying? Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Okay, only if I was in Back to the Future or something would that work?
To me, that goes in and out.
No, no. It means for what I no, no. Okay. What I'm meaning by that is at noon, by noon. Okay, I've run 5 miles. And then by noon, I've run 6.5 miles, okay? It shouldn't make any sense at all, okay? This is example wouldn't work in real life unless you're Superman or something, okay? We're going to find out mathematically why it doesn't make sense either, okay? Why it's not possible. Okay, in the problem, what's x and y variable represent? Good, hours and miles. If we froze time, yes. But time never stops. Okay, go ahead and plot the points. Right 2, up 5. Right 2, up 6.5. Up 8, up 10. Tara, what kind of line is it making? A vertical line, very good. Okay, Melanie, slope formula is what? Good. Pick 2 ordered pairs, Mackenzie, you want to use. 2 and 8 and, okay, and 2, 10. Okay, Nicole Medlin, plug in the formula for me. Plug in the numbers in the formula. 10 minus 8 miles over 2 minus 2 hours. Okay, 10 minus 8 is 2 miles every 0 hours. Okay, once again, is it possible to go 2 miles in no time? No. Flash, but not Juliet. I know I'm a fast runner, but not that fast. Okay. Hey guys, what is 2 divided by 0? 0, huh? Type it in your calculator. 2 divided by 0. Error? What's wrong with your calculator? Anyone else's calculator broken? Yes. So you guys all have broken calculators.
I got 0.
Oh, okay. You're correct. It is impossible to divide by 0. Okay, if you think about it, let's say there are only 2 people in the room. Okay, me and Frecker. Okay, Frecker and I are in the room. Okay, can you divide us into 0 groups?
Yes.
How? What's the only way you could divide us into 0 groups? Okay, yeah, if you got rid of us, okay, buried our bodies, okay, that's the only way. It is impossible to divide something into 0 groups. Dividing by 0 is a mathematical no-no. Okay, so it is, you can't. No, there isn't a way. Okay, you would make $1 million if you could figure out a way to divide by 0. Okay, actually, if you guys take math in college, okay, you'll learn a partial way. For all our purposes, you can't divide by 0, though. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right, back to this. So it's impossible to divide by 0, okay? That's why the problem didn't make any sense. It's impossible to do. Jake. Okay, back to this equation. All right, this is the only line. Does this ever cross the y-axis? No. So it's a... Yeah, but it's... Okay. It never crosses the y-axis. This is the only equation that does not start with y equals. Okay. Does anyone know what? Molly. Very good. Okay. X equals 2. Okay. If you guys remember back, remember when we solved an equation? Like if we had x plus 3 equals 5. Okay. You subtracted 3 from each side and you got x equals 2. I had you guys graph those 2 different ways. Okay. What was one way to graph the answer x equals 2? Okay. One way was to make a vertical line at 2. What was the other way? Using just one number line. A dotted line, no. On one number line, how would you show me 2? Okay, a dot above 2. Okay, you've already seen this before. When x equals 2, it equals 2 anywhere along the vertical line there. My line, because I moved my graph, I'm going to just redraw it. Okay, it should be on the 2. Yeah, okay. All right. Any vertical line that you have will always be the equation x equals, and the slope will always be impossible. Okay, turn to the back. You're already there, right? Okay, vertical line, draw vertical line pictures. All right, slope will always be impossible, or mathematically we call that undefined. Undefined, okay? Meaning it has no definition. You're not allowed to do it. The equation is always x equals, and then wherever it crosses the x-axis at. Okay, this chart right here, this, you want to know this. Highlight it, mascara it, put lipstick on it, okay? You want to know this. What? Okay, he stole your lipstick. All right, you're going to have to steal it back then to lipstick this. Okay, example 3. After 3 minutes, I lost 2 crayons. After 3 minutes, I now found 4 crayons. Okay, ordered pairs would be what, McLean? Yeah. Okay, 3 minutes, 2 crayons. If you lost them, though, what should your 2 be? Okay, I lost 2 crayons. They're gone. The other one, if I found 4, okay, positive 4 crayons. Okay. Slope. Okay, figuring out the slope, plugging the numbers into that. Okay, what would you be subtracting? X1, Y1. X2, Y2. Okay, plug the numbers in for me, Mike. Four minus negative 2 over 3 minus 3 turns into a big mama plus. You get 6 divided by 0. Okay, so what's the slope or the rate of increase? Mackenzie? Undefined. It's impossible to, after the same 3 minutes, lose the crayons and then find the crayons. Okay, this, whenever you are dividing by 0, can't be done. So you would write that the slope is undefined. Okay, what's the line going to look like? Is it vertical or horizontal? Okay, vertical. Okay, let me show you something else. If you think of a vertical line, my wall is vertical. Okay, imagine me skiing up a slope. Okay, what's going to happen? Okay, it is impossible, except for Superman, to walk up this wall. Okay, vertical lines are impossible, undefined. Okay, so if you plot your points, 3 minutes, down 2 crayons. 3 minutes, up 4 crayons. Okay, it does make a vertical line. Okay, what is the equation of that line? Paige? Very good. X equals 3. Okay, you you can tell the equation. It goes through the x-axis at 3, or the other way is look at the ordered pair. Okay, what's always the same? The x's are always the same. The x's always equal 3. Okay, that's how you get your equation. Okay, questions on 3? All right, go to 4. Do that one on your own. Okay, going over your answer. After 4 days, Joe has 5 dogs. 6 days ago, Joe had 5 dogs. Okay, just thinking about it, what's the rate of increase of his dogs? Okay, 0. You guys already know if you think about it, it's going to be 0. Okay, what are the ordered pairs? Bridget? Good. Plugging that into the formula, 5 minus 5 equals -6 minus 4, giving you 0 over -10, which is the 0 that you guys knew. 0, what's the word? 0 what every what? 0 dogs every, okay, every day, every 10 days, it doesn't matter. He still always increases by 0. Okay, if you, to graph it, go right 4, up 5, left 6, up 5, okay, and then draw your line. Days and dogs. Okay, what would the equation be? Christina, what's your equation? Good, okay. Y, it crosses through the y-axis at 5, and the y's are always going to be 5. He's always going to have 5 dogs. Yes? Yeah, to make the graph, plot these points and then connect them, okay? You will eventually be able to not have to do all this work. You'll just be able to know y is always 5. It crosses through the y-axis at 5. Okay? Right. Go right 4. How? Go 4, 5, and then... Okay, that's why. Okay, so horizontal line, guys. Make it with your arms. Okay, arms down. Okay, make with your arms the line that has a slope of undefined. Make with your arm the slope that is undefined. Okay, it's not this way, it's vertical. Okay, now make with your arm the equation of the line that is y equals a number. Y equals a number. Okay, good, it's horizontal. Make with the one that has a slope of 0. 0, remember, think like the floor. It doesn't increase. I didn't mix it up. Okay, and which one has the equation y equals a number? Trick some people. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, make with x equals. X equals, it goes through the x-axis. Good, so it's vertical. Okay, you can start right now. Okay, you're doing the very next page. After that, page 11 and 12, green packet. Yep. Page 11 and 12. They are scenarios just like the ones we just did. Okay, write the ordered pairs, find the slope, graph it, give me the equation. Okay, go ahead and start that now.